Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and you will see click on voice recorder. If you want to use voice recorder, click on this icon. After click on this icon, you will see voice recorder is and voice recording is start. After start voice recording, you will see you will record from here. And if you want to stop, click on this icon and you will see stop from here. If you want to again start, so click on again this icon. So if you want to finish voice recording, so click on this icon and enter your enter type name and click on save. You will see voice recording is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.